So, you want to buy a fence? Let's get right into it. What do you need in a wall or fence? Privacy, safety and security, maybe sound reduction. Increased property value, definitely. And of course, you want to enhance the beauty of your property and kick that curb appeal up a notch or two. There are plenty of fencing options out there, but no matter what you choose, a fence isn't something you're going to want to replace. You want a fence for life. That's why you need Verti-Crete. Unlike chain link wood or vinyl fences, Verti-Crete is solid. It's a concrete fence for maximum privacy, security, and sound reduction. A Verti-Crete fence combines the strength of concrete with the beauty of hand-laid brick or stone, so it looks amazing, but goes in faster and for a fraction of the cost. With Verti-Crete, you get it all in one package. Here's how it works. Our revolutionary vertical battery mold technology allows us to cast each panel with a molded texture on both sides. It looks like stone because the molds are made from real stone. Verti-Crete walls are engineered to reduce labor costs with our fast and flexible panel installation. First, the pier footings are drilled, and then filled with concrete on site. A rebar dowel is then wet set into the concrete footing. The column is then installed over the rebar dowel. The column's hollow center will be filled later with concrete to secure the footing. Once the column is in place, a panel is inserted into the keyway in the column. The panel spans from footing to footing and locks into place between columns. Installation starts with a column, and then a panel, and then the next column, and so on. After final adjustments, the columns are then filled with concrete to secure the installation. Caps are placed on top. The wall can then be stained to seal the concrete to add warmth and color to suit your project. Verti-Crete wall installations are both fast and flexible, saving time and lowering labor costs. Verti-Crete's flexible installation allows it to adapt to varied terrain and ground expansion, so you know it won't have problems down the road. When it comes to finding the best fencing options for your project, Verti-Crete has it all. Incredible beauty, double-sided textures, fast installation, high durability, and the list goes on. It's the best way to surround your property with value. That's the Verti-Crete difference.